Welcome back to one more video of my channel Ishika Banerjee, and in this channel I make videos regarding the topics that you have in your board level for class 10. Okay, so today a very important topic, that is what is the syllabus. Until and unless you know what is the syllabus, it won't be possible for you to know about the chapter and study the chapters in you, because see, we all are studying exam oriented things. So for us to know what is there in our syllabus is important. So I thought of making a syllabus regarding the upcoming board exam. This is the syllabus for ICSE students of class 10 board exams who will be appearing for exam in the year 2022 to 2023. Okay, so let me just write the biology syllabus. Please write with me, because whenever you study, keep a paper where in front of you where the chapters are written for you people. Okay, so please write with me. Okay, and I'm writing the chapters. Okay, so this is for biology syllabus. Please mention, I'm mentioning it, this is ICSE syllabus class 10. Clear? So what are the topics that we have? First topic that we have is structure of chromosome. This topic I have completed in my channel. You can see structure of chromosome, cell cycle and cell division. The first unit, okay, cell cycle and cell division. Okay, this is the first chapter. Second chapter is genetics. This is also something which I am doing. Third one is absorption by roots. Is it properly visible? Okay. Fourth one is transpiration. This I have written from the official site of ICSE, so you can just have a trust on this. Fifth one is photosynthesis. Okay. Sixth one is chemical coordination in plants. Okay. Seventh one is circulatory system. From here we are starting the human physiology, circulatory system. Okay. Eighth one is your excretory system. Okay. This much is written. I am writing the ninth one here. Is it visible? Okay. So the ninth one is nervous system. Tenth one is sense organ. These are all chapters of your book. Okay, you will be able to see it. 11th one is endocrine system. Endocrine gland, basically this is endocrine gland. 12th one is reproductive system. Okay. 13th one is population, and 14th one is pollution. You should have a question that where is the chapter human revolution? Please mark it proper way that your 14th chapter, that is human population, is not in your syllabus this year. It's completely cut out. So please cut this chapter. Please do not study. This is for the year 2022 to 2033. All these chapters are there except the chapter human population. Clear? Except the chapter human population, all other chapters are there. So let's just go through. This is the syllabus. Please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this because this is not there in your syllabus. Very important. Please take a screenshot properly of this. So just telling you once more. So the syllabus for biology syllabus of class 10 ICSE 2022-2033 batch student, that is the batch who will be giving the exam this coming year. Structure of chromosome complete in your syllabus. Genetics also completely. Absorption by roots also there. Transpiration is there. Chemical photosynthesis is there. Chemical coordination in plants is there. Circulatory system is there. Excretory system is there completely in all these chapters. After that you have got a nervous system which is also there. Sense organ is there. Endocrine gland is there. Reproductive system is there. Population is there. Pollution is there. This chapter, that is human evolution, this is not population, sorry, this is human evolution, right? Let me check. This is human evolution. Okay, this is human evolution. It's a mistake, students. Please see, human evolution is not in your syllabus. Human evolution is not in your syllabus. Please mark this as wrong. So total you have got 14 chapters in your syllabus. This chapter human population is not there. Okay, I'm rubbing this because otherwise you will be confused. Just I have written because I wanted you to know that this chapter is there in your book but not in your syllabus. So you have total these much chapters for your biology to prepare. Understand? Please take a screenshot or write it. It's better to write it because the more you write it, it becomes easier. Okay, so please. So here I have completed this portion, that is structure of chromosome, cell cycle and cell division. Genetics I am doing and I am planning to do all these chapters also if you support me. So please see, this is the syllabus of biology chapters. Take a screenshot or write this. Take a screenshot for present time but write it in your hand. See in the video. Clear? Thank you so much. Hoping all of you get very good marks in the upcoming exams. Thank you so much. Please do like, share. Thank you so much. Meet you all in the next video.